Right, what's up traders? So this week I have got quite a few questions on this topic in my coaching calls in the Black Shirt Club with traders that are not understanding the importance of risk percentage when determining their stop loss. Right, so let me put this straight out. It's always about the percentage of your account that you're risking that determines your position size. In terms of if you're risking 1% and have a 20 pip stop loss, you're going to have a certain position size. But if you have 1% and risking 50 pips on the stop loss, you're going to have a lot smaller stop position size with regards to your stop loss. The percentage and amount that you lose does not change. So I want to make sure that I get this very, very clear, and I'll explain this in a visual representation here on screen. The bigger your stop loss does not mean you're risking more money. It's always the percentage of your account at risk that determines this. And we use something called the Risk Calculator app that allows us to help with the determination of this position size. So for example, if I wanted to risk 1% on this is a $190,000 account size. If I wanted to risk 1% on this trade, and if I hit, let's say I hit bar calculation here, and I have a 20 pip stop loss, I'm going to lose $1,903, right? And if I make 20 pips in profit, I'm going to make $1,903. But my position size, the volume, is going to be 14.31. Now let's say we make this 40 pips. My stop loss 40 pips, right? Let's say my stop loss goes to 40 pips. Look how the position size changes. I'm still going to lose $1,900, but my position size is half, simply for the fact that my stop loss is double the distance. So it's never about the position of the size of the stop loss. It's always about the position sizing in terms of percentages that will change the position size. So I hope that makes sense. We'll go over this again, right? It is never the actual size of the stop loss that matters. It's always going to be the percentage at risk of your account, right? If that remains the same, whether you're risking 1% with a 20 pip stop loss or 1% with a 40 pip stop loss, you're still risking 1% of the size of the account size. It's just the position size that changes, and this Risk Calculator app does this automatically for us. So let me show that again. If I want to buy again with a 20 pip stop loss risking 1%, I'm going to lose $1,900. But if I make this 40 pips, right? If I make this 40 pips, I'm still going to lose $1,900, but my position size changes from 7 with 40 pip stop loss. If I half that with a 20 pip stop loss, it goes all the way to 14. But I'm still only losing 1% of my account. My position size, my stop loss is just tighter, but I'm still risking 1% of my account. My position size just changes. So it's always the position size that changes, never the percentage or risk of capital for any one trade. So let me go through that again. If I'm risking 1% with a 40 pip stop loss or 1% with a 20 pip stop loss, the risk percentage stays the same. I'm still going to lose 1% whether I have a 40 pip stop loss or 20 pip stop loss. It's the position size that changes. The tighter the stop loss, the bigger the position size. The wider the stop loss, the smaller the position size. But it is always going to be based on a percentage of your account at risk. I hope that makes sense. Cheers, everyone.